Hey guys, welcome back. This is Janice, and in my video today I will be showing you a different way of making enchiladas. This time I will be using flour tortillas instead of corn tortillas, and the other different ingredient that I will be using today is cream of chicken soup. The ingredients that I will be using for this recipe are cooked chicken, cheese, a can of cream of chicken soup, and flour tortillas. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to place your flour tortillas on your baking sheet. Then I will scoop some cream of chicken soup and put it on the flour tortilla. And then with a spoon, I would spread it all around, making sure all the ends are moist with the cream of chicken soup. And then I will get the cooked chicken that I cooked in the crock pot. You can also cook the chicken on the stove, but I like it to put it in the crock pot because the meat comes out really nice and tender. But once I place the chicken on the tortilla, then I will place the cheese, and once you have it, then you roll it up like in a burrito style. Then you scoop some cream of chicken soup, spread it all around the tortilla. Place the cheese that you already grated on top of the tortilla. Then I go on to my next flour tortilla. Then I will spread the cream of chicken soup on the flour tortilla. Then I will get some chicken and place it on the tortilla. Then I will get some cheese, put it in the center of the tortilla. Then I will roll up the tortilla. Then I will get some cream of chicken soup, spread it on the tortilla. And it's very important to get the tortilla all nice and moist with this cream of chicken soup because you don't want your enchiladas to come out dry after we take them out of the oven. Then the next step is to put some cheese on the tortilla. And then now once you're done with that, then I will put them in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. Okay, I just took out the enchiladas from the oven, and if you want to put black olives, jalapenos, and banana peppers, the enchiladas taste delicious with these ingredients. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy these enchiladas and let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.